Shalom, sister. Shalom, shalom. So, I'm going to give all praise and glory to the Most High. How about Shema Shah? I'm going to do a quick hair wrap tutorial. I'm wearing this color because it's color in my skirt. My skirt is colorful. This color's in my skirt. So, we're going to be doing like a little bun knot at the top. About the only hair wraps I know how to do. So, I'm trying to see if I want to leave some hair out. Yeah, we can leave some hair out. We're just gonna leave maybe like a strand out on each side. So, yeah. And then we're going to tuck it behind our ears. Right. And then we have crossed our hair wrap in the back like this. Now, we didn't tie it. We just crossed it like an X. So, cross it like an X, just like this. Don't get tied. Just cross it like an X, okay? And I left 2 strands out. And, you know, tucked it behind my ears. So now what we're gonna do is, which one is longer? Probably about the same size. So we're gonna twist, 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 twist. Now you're gonna just do it like a I don't know how to explain it. Just watch what I do. Wrap it like a bun, like a donut, okay? And then twist, 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 twist. And you also gonna have to twist as you wrap. So what you're gonna do is you're basically gonna do the same thing but wrap it around the donut. So you gotta take it from the back for it to secure good, right? And as you wrap it around, twist it on your finger. Wrap it around some more. And wrap it on some more. Trust the process. I'm gonna show y'all how to fix it up in a minute. Now, you're gonna basically just pull this down, tuck hair that's sticking out, put that over, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So here's one of the hair wrap styles I go to on a day-to-day basis. Lord willing, this helps somebody. Shalom.